It works. It's easy.
The most amazing thing. Gyroflow works on Android. Yeah, Gyroflow's out. Gyroflow, it's out today. Gyroflow. Hope you're interested. I'm interested, and it is pretty damn sexy. I think we've only got to press a few buttons. Let's have a look. Gyroflow actually.
Come on then, so bloody show us.
Actually, it's for Android
And iOS.
and it works and it doesn't crash. It's amazing, seriously. Watch these clips.
So as you can see, this is me normally flying. Look there, bit of prop wash, bobble. Notice the jerkiness around the sides. Look, that one. Okay.
Now this put a little bit of Gyroflow on it. All I'm doing is altering 2 sliders. That's it. Simple. I'll show you how to do it in a minute. Alright?
Check out the smoothness around the side.
So that tiny little bit of prop wash is just still there a little bit. Just a little bit of smoothness on it, yeah? You don't want too much because it takes the effect out of your moves and the zoom. The zoom you can mess about with to your heart's content. So let's get a look at another one.
So this is a perfect one. I mean, look, I'm just hovering, yeah, but it's jerky. You can see on the roll pitch, it's just jerks. So now I've put a little bit more smoothness and not as much zoom. So this is a great one to show you. I mean, look, it's totally smoothed it out. The roll, look at that. Yes, very nice. Hello. How high does it go, mate?
So for the Runcamthumb, this is what Oscar Liang recommends the settings. So have a look at this.
So pause it here, guys, and look. So the first one, Gyroflow for Android. Download it. Go to that site and download it. Couldn't be easier. Then go to Oscar Lang's site, read up, and then it will show you the settings for the Runcamthumb. Notice these are the settings for version 2.1. Don't just put my settings in that I'm showing you. Actually read the page. It's not that long.
Now I bet you missed it. I bet you all missed it. Lens correction.
So look at the wall, look at the horizon, look at the tree, look at the road. It's bendy, yeah, it's got fisheye. Now look at the Gyroflow one. It's totally straight. Lens correction. Didn't even have to touch it. It does it automatically. Look at the wall. Look at the road. Look at the curb. Look at the horizon. And now, look at this. I'll freeze it. It's perfect. No fisheye. Look at the road. Now that is sex. So guys, all I wanted to show you was how good Gyroflow was on Android. Please read Oscar Lang's thing, and thanks to Pendo46 for the music for the beats.